How to quickly reset network settings to fix internet or Bluetooth bugs. Hey everybody! In today's tutorial, we're going to be discussing about a quick and easy way to reset your network and Bluetooth settings to fix your internet or Bluetooth bugs. So without any delay, let's just get right into it. You want to start off by tapping on your menu or settings icon. Once you land on the settings page, this might be different depending on the device you have, but all you have to do is find the option to reset. In my case, I'm using a Samsung phone, so it's under General Management. Tap on it, and you'll find the reset button down below. Or if you don't find it on your phone, you can just use the search bar at the top and simply search for reset, just like so. You can find all of your reset settings here. Alright, so let me just quickly head over to my reset settings. Tap on reset, and then you have multiple options. The first one is to reset all settings. Then you can reset mobile network settings. And on the third option, you'll see reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. You want to head over there. And as you can see here, this will reset all of your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and it cannot be undone. So what happens when you reset is all of your saved Wi-Fi networks will be forgotten and their password will be deleted. So you're going to have to re-enter the password if you want to connect to any of the Wi-Fi network that you've connected to previously. And your Bluetooth settings is the same as well. It's going to unpair all of your paired devices on Bluetooth, like headphones or earbuds, anything like that. So you're going to have to connect them again. If you're sure that you want to reset settings, tap on reset settings down below and it should do the job. That's about it for this video, guys. If this helped you out, consider liking the video down below and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the bell icon to not miss out on any of our new uploads.